Hey you guys, so I'm back with a exciting unboxing. It is my very first Stitch Fix. And if you guys don't know what Stitch Fix is, I will put it in down below in the description box because it's too much to talk about. I'll try to make this video as quick as possible. This is my return. Put these back. It's my return envelope and my little envelope that tells me how to style it, how much everything costs. Oh, hello. Super cute. I have shoes. Hey, so I have my bundle here. Oh my gosh, it's a little peek. I have jeans, I have sweaters. I'm excited, y'all. Let's get into this. And I'm not gonna look at the prices yet because I don't want to be sticker shocked. Let's put this down. Oh, these are cute. This is Judy Blue. Relaxed fit, mid-rise. I asked for high-rise, I think. They're not skinny at the bottom. And they're size 7. Okay. Okay. They look like they're going to be big on me, but I don't know. Oh, I love this color. Oh, this is pretty. It's a cardigan. OMG. Look at the back. Look at that detailing. It's a size medium. And it's by Pinque. Pinque. Jamila Black Detail Cardigan. Black. Mustard. Okay. That is really cute. And it looks like it's long. That's so cute. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. And it's green. It looks huge. This is too big. What? This is size medium. Mix by 41 Hawthorn. And it's like a little sweater. It's see-through. It's really, really soft. Okay. And this is so stinking cute. Fortune+Ivy. Oh, this is so cute. That's my daughter, you guys. Fortune+Ivy. It's sheer. It has the little roll-up sleeve. Oh, that is so cute. I don't know if it's me. I put down medium, but this stuff looks really, really big. Like, the sleeves are rolled up, and it looks like it's almost still down to my wrist. And then I have some shoes. Oh, that's cute. Some little boots. These are by Report. Has like a little bunching right here in the front. Okay, those are cute. And these are size 7. I'm a 6.5. Sometimes a 7. Alright, so I'm going to try this stuff on and then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is outfit number 1. This sweater feels really, really big. It don't look big. I don't want my clothes to like be fitting too tight because I am going to wear these to work. But this is definitely big on me. It's really soft. I like it. I like the sweater. I will have to go down a size. And it's, I don't know if this is supposed to come all the way down or what, but I definitely think I need a size down in this. And these are the jeans. I like the jeans. I like the way they fit. They have really, really nice pockets. They feel really soft. The only thing is that they are not skinny. they look like legit mom jeans. And I am a mom, but I don't want to be walking around with mommy jeans on. So I don't like the bottom at all. This is the bottom. The boots are really cute, but maybe I would like the boots with some skinny jeans. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some of my regular skinny jeans and try it on with the boots and see if it looks better. But my ankles are super, super little. Like I have little teeny ankles. And I will probably wear these boots with some like little socks. So I do have a little bit of room in them, but not too much that it's like making the shoe floppy. So yes, this is outfit number 1. Here's the back. The front. All right, put outfit number 2. All right, so here's outfit number 2. I just have on some of my jeans. These are mine. But this is the shirt. I feel very constricted in the shirt, like with the sleeves. It feels weird. And then it keeps like riding back. So I've tugged on it to pull it forward like 4 or 5 times already. So I don't know about this shirt. It's really long though, so that's pretty nice. It's super cute, but I'm a little busty, and so I don't like the fact that I'll have to put something on under it, which is it's okay, but it does keep buckling right here. And let me put on this sweater, cardigan. The pockets are super cute too. This is a really nice cardigan. I feel like it's big. I feel like I definitely need to size down. This is the back. I like the fact that it's long. It has these 2 little slits right here. I wish I had pockets. And I'll just put on the boots so that you guys can just see what it looks like all together. I did look at the style card. And the style card suggested with this shirt that I put on some light rip denim. And so I don't know. I don't think the boots are cute. Like I can't do the boots. I don't feel like that part around the ankle is thin enough for me. So I think the boots are gonna be a no. But they are really cute. I wish my ankles was a little thicker. But this is outfit number 2. I really do like it. It's super cute. I can see myself wearing this like on Friday, like a casual day at work. I can see myself wearing this. It's still kind of casual, but not like I could wear this to work and then afterwards I can go out and hang out for a little bit. And I wouldn't be like, oh, I feel overdressed or whatever. But here it is again, this shirt. It's riding backwards. So weird. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know what I should keep, what I should send back. I don't know. Everything is really cute. Like I think if the fit was better, I would probably keep everything if it wasn't like $1 million. Like it's nothing that I don't like. I even like the jeans. I'm a mom, so mom jeans are okay. It's okay. I will let you guys know how much everything costs. Okay, so I've tried on everything, and I'm going to go ahead and read the style card. It says, "Hi, Kia. Welcome to Stitch Fix. We are so excited to have you here with us. I had such a blast putting together styles for this very first fix of yours. You mentioned in your style request that you are looking for a new pair of jeans, warmer pieces to add to your wardrobe. To start, I pulled Judy blue jeans, which have mid-rise fit that you love. I don't love. These are a little bit out of your price range, but I couldn't resist as they are absolutely timeless and can be worn year round. A pair of olive mix by 41 Hawthorn top and a tan report footwear booties for a complete fall look. Layer this with the mustard cardigan. Make sure to check out the beautiful detail on the back while you try it on. Okay. So, first off, the fact that you sent me jeans that you know I can't afford is crazy to me. Like, if I can't afford it, why would you send it to me? Because they cute? Oh. Okay. But here's a look. And these are the styles that they are suggesting. Now, let's look at these jeans. Because now I'm curious to know how much they cost. Okay, so the Judy Blue Arlene girlfriend jeans in indigo are $58. That's not bad. I thought they was gonna be like $110 or something. These are $58. I don't think I don't like the fit that much. I don't know about these. I don't know about these jeans. You guys let me know. I felt like they look like mom jeans, and they will probably be cute with a different pair of shoes. But I don't know. Okay. The Fortune+Ivy Crystal button down white. This is $42. Again, this kept riding up and on my neck. So I love this shirt, but I don't like the fit of it. It doesn't. Maybe it's the material, but I do not like the fit of it. But that's $42. Olive, is that this? Mixed by 41 Hawthorn. This is $38. This sweater. This is $38. I like this. I think I need a size down in this. It's so soft. I love this. What material is this? This is some good material. This is really nice. I think I'll keep this and I'll just size it down. The cardigan, Jamila Black detail cardigan. This is $46. Yee. This is cute too. I really like this. I would need to size down in it because it's really, on my arms, it's entirely too long. It's a thread coming loose right here. This is super cute though. It's $46. And then the Drewe, Repore Footwear Drewe Perforated Bootie. These are $65. Which is not bad. I would probably pay for these in the store. Alright, so that brings my total to $249. Buy all discount is $62.25, with my total being $186.75. So okay, so that's it. You guys let me know. Let me know what you think, because I don't know what they look like on me from a different perspective. I love the sweater. I love everything. I just don't like the fit of the things. So I think if we can get the fit better, then maybe I should just go in and change my size from medium to small so the fit will be a little bit better. But you guys comment below if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, you can subscribe. It's free. And I have more boxes coming, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, you guys.